Hello friends, good morning. Today start new point. Also include the chemical properties of group 15 elements. So in the previous lectures discussed about in yesterday, that is chemical properties, actions of sulfuric acids, actions of metals, actions of oxygen, actions of metals, actions of oxygens, actions of H2SO4, actions of HNO3. So these are the four properties. These compounds are react with in the group 15 elements to formations of the different types of the compounds. Now another points also, these are the chemical properties discussed about you. So these are the previous lecture, that is actions of metals, actions of oxygens, actions of sulfuric acids, actions of nitric acid. So another point also, that is chemical properties but actions of alkali on group 15 elements. So actions of alkali in group 15 element, that alkali means that is sodium hydroxide NaOH. So these are the base. That base react with group 15 elements, but nitrogens are not react with sodium hydroxide. Also bismuth are not react with sodium hydroxide. So these are the three elements, that is P4, AS4 and Sb. So these are the three types of the elements react with alkali to give formations of the new compounds. And that already discussed about you, that is previous lectures. Group 15 elements are the show in the -3, +3 and +5 oxidation state. So that depending upon these concept, that is oxidation state, that different types of the compound is formed in the group 15 elements, that is P4. You know about that P4. The phosphorus exist as a tetraatomic molecule. Phosphorus exists as a tetraatomic molecules, and that tetraatomic molecules of phosphorus react with alkali, sodium hydroxides and water to formations of the hydride. And sodium hypophosphite is compound is formed. Sodium hypophosphite compound is formed. So these are the new compounds, that is sodium phosphite react with sodium hydroxide, react with phosphorus tetraatomic molecules, react with sodium hydroxides and 3 water molecules to give hydride PS3 phosphine, and removal and formations of the sodium hypophosphite Na2H2PO2, NaH2PO2. So that compounds is P, that present in the 2 oxygens, 2 hydrogens and 3 sodium. That's why phosphorus are the tetravalent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So formations of the new compound, that is sodium hypophosphite. So tetraatomic molecules react with NaOH and 3H2O to formations of the phosphines, and one compound is formed, that is sodium hypophosphite is compound formed. So why requirement of the 3 molecules of sodium hydroxide, 3 molecules of water molecules to give different types of the compound that balance the chemical equations? You know about that, already discussed about you the chemical bonding is the oxidation reduction reaction. So formations of the sodium hypophosphite compound is formed, and these are the structures. Now another properties, that is actions of alkali on group 15 elements, that is arsenic. So arsenic react with sodium hydroxide in the presence of heating, to give sodium arsenite, as like a same in the tetraatomic of arsenic react with sodium hydroxide in the presence of heating to give sodium arsenite compound is formed, and removal of H2 molecules means removal of H2 gas. So these are the another properties arsenic tetraatomic molecules of the ars, for example, uh, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. So these are the 5 types of the element. That is, tetra molecules of arsenic react with 12 molecules of NaOH in the presence of heating to formations of the sodium arsenide compound is formed and removal of H2 gas. Removal of H2 gas. So these are the another property, that is arsenate in the presence of oxygen. In the presence of oxygens, for example, Na. So arsenic, these are the formations of the 3 bonds and 1 lone pair of electrons. You know about that group 15 elements minus 3 plus 3 and plus 5 oxidation state. So these compounds are the plus 3 oxidation state. So in the sodium arsenide compound is formed. So these are the another properties, that is arsenic react with 12 molecules of NaOH in the presence of heating to formations of the sodium arsenide compound is formed. Now another third point, that is antimony, that is symbol is Sb. Sb nothing but the antimony. So antimony react with sodium hydroxide in the presence of heating to give sodium antimonide. And removal of H2 gas. So all over the 3 types of the reaction that discuss about you means group 15 elements. Group 15 elements, that means nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, and antimony. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. So these are the 3 types of the elements react with NaOH. 3 types of the element react with NaOH, and that formations of the 3 different compounds. First is phosphorus react with NaOH to formations of the sodium hypophosphite. Another is second types of the reaction, arsenic react with sodium hydroxide to formations of sodium arsenide and removal of H2 gas. Antimony react with sodium hydroxide and to react with sodium hydroxide in the presence of heating to give sodium antimonide product is formed. That's why these are the requirement of the 6 molecules. 2 molecules are the balance the chemical equation. So these are the first properties discussed about you, that is in this lecture. Previous lecture, that is properties, that is chemical properties. Now another point, that is actions of hydrogen in group 15 elements. So actions of hydrogens in group 15 elements means group 15 elements react with hydrogens to formations of the gaseous hydrides is formed. All the elements of group 15 react with hydrogen. All the elements of group 15 react with hydrogens and form colorless gaseous hydride is formed. For example, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. So react with hydrogen. To form different types of the compound is formed. That is NS3, PS3, ASH3, SbH3, and last is BiS3. So nitrogens react with hydrogens to convert it into ammonia, NH3, that is hydride. Gaseous hydride is formed. All the elements of group 15 react with hydrogens and form colorless gaseous hydride. For example, NH3, PS3, ASH3, SbH3, and BiS3. So these are the 5 types of the hydride compound is formed, that is gaseous hydride, means BiS3. So nitrogens react with H2 to formations of the ammonia. Phosphorus react with H2 to formations of the hydride, that is phosphine. Arsenic react with hydrogens. Requirement of the hydrogen depending upon the elements, depending upon the oxidation state, to formations of the ASH3. Antimony react with S2 to formations of the SbS3. Bismuth react with bismuth react with hydrogen to formations of the BiS3. So formations of the different types of the hydride, that is are called as the gaseous hydride is formed. So these are the first point, actions of hydrogens in a group 15 elements. All the elements of group 15 is react with hydrogens and form colorless gaseous hydride, that is ammonia, PS3, ASS3, SbS3 and BiS3. Now second point, that is NS3 is a weakly basic. NS3 is a weakly basic, but remaining hydrides are not basic. NS3 is weakly basic, but remaining hydrides are not basic. For example, NH3 is a basic, but PS3, ASS3, SbS3 and BiS3 are not basic. Why? Ammonia is the basic, and that remaining hydride PS3, ASS3, SbS3 and BiS3 are not basic. Why? Because the ammonia is the basic. Why? Because the ammonia present in the lone pair of electrons. Also 3, 4 or 5 types of the hydrides are present in the lone pair of electrons. But one concept is clear, that top to bottom size is increased. Top to bottom size is increased. So ammonia is the small in size. Nitrogen is the high electronegativity. So free of space of lone pair of electrons. So these are the lone pair of electrons, and that lone pair of electrons are the free space and low as compared to the another hydrides. That's why ammonia are easily donate the lone pair of electrons. Ammonia are easily donate the lone pair of electrons. For example, NH3 is so in this ammonia, and that ammonia are present, and that nitrogens are the small in size, high electronegativity and absence of d orbital. That means that repulsions between the nitrogens and hydrogens is increases due to small in size. So that nitrogens present in the lone pair of electrons are free space is low as compared to the another hydrides. That's why that nitrogens are easily donate the lone pair of electrons. And that ammonia are the basic in nature. But another hydrides, PS3, ASS3, SbS3 and BiS3. So these types of the hydrides in the periodic table form top to bottom size is increases. That means stability also increases. So that depending upon this concept, lone pair of electrons in the group 15 elements, top to bottom lone pair of electrons, stability also increases. Lone pair of electrons, stability also increases. That means this arrow is indicated by the increases. Lone pair of electrons, stability also increases. That means lone pair of electrons stability increases, basic character is decreases. So basic character is decreases. Basic characters is decreases due to increasing size, increasing stability. That means ammonia is the more basic. That means ammonia are the basic, and that another hydrides are the not basic, depending upon these properties. NH3 is a weakly basic, but remaining hydrides are not basic. That's the stability and solubility of hydrides decreases from NH3 to BS3. Stability solubility of hydride decreases from NH3 to BS3. So these are the stability, that different types of the stability are included. That group 15 element, that is NH3, PS3, ASS3, SBS3 and BIS3. Stability that decreases due to sometimes that stability of the group 15 element depending upon the NH3. So NH3 are the more stable. So these are the corrections between the stability. Stability decreases because NH3 are the more stable as compared to the BS3, ASS3, SBS3 and BIS3. Why? Because NH3 compound, nitrogens and hydrogens, that attraction between the nucleus and center of the nucleus and valence electrons, attraction is more. So these compounds are more strong. These compounds are the more strong. That these compounds are the more stable. So increase in the center of the nucleus and valence electron size is increases. So these bonds are weak. So requirement of the less energy. That's why these bonds, these compounds are easily break down. So these points are correction. That means stability top to bottoms are decreases. Depending upon the size. That means center of the nucleus and valence electrons are size is increases due to attractions are less. From attraction between the top to bottoms are the increases decreases from center of the nucleus and electrons. That's why in the concept of group 15 elements, size is increases, stability is increases, lone pair of electrons, stability is decreases, basic characters is increases. Basic characters also decreases due to different types of the properties. So write down the short notes of the group 15 elements, that is actions of alkali and actions of hydrogen.